This is Zay Money. Come here, Zay Money. My little cousin. He can sing, but I will put him there someday.
It's Sunday, girl, she the one for me. And I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine.
Look at the camera.
First name latest, no I'm not famous. My story is a blur, so I gotta repaint this. Before hitting the stage, I was going through my phases. I know I'm so young, yeah my money stays largest. Gotta think fast like Einstein smartest. The world is a lie, but I'ma stay honest. Can I trust a person? I'm about to demonstrate good versus evil. They cannot communicate while he's on in his city. I'm trying to own my state. This is my embracing. People of this nation, love the ones that love, gotta forgive the ones that hate. Give them what is fun, let the kids play station. The economy is so sick, it's in constipation. Miracles that happen, yeah I'm still waiting. Jesus, where you at? They still calling you the greatest. Life can be a pain because Satan is the rapist.
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. Shake shit down in the mall. It's Sunday, girl, she the one for me. And I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine.
Once upon a time, there used to be a good time. Today we spit rhymes, stop fucking waste time. Talk about the past, wise men discussions, public enemies, forever to remember. Today we live in black hole seductions. A story about the bad, one of good things. Ain't that a story of a man wanting something? I'm speaking the truth, that should be your realization. Niggas smoke, see a demon in hallucination. We live our own rules by the regulation. No freedom, talk about the ones that live a cage. War is a place where society's enraged. Dying book, people die by every page. Can you meet the standards? If not, you are in the way. It's a shame that we bully on another race. Our mind is little, but we think massive. You talk little on the ground, you are so repulsive. The world's a jigsaw, only God can solve it. Money's on our mind, so we meditate. It's day by day that we collaborate.
It may not mean nothing at all. Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. Shutting shit down in the mall. It's Sunday, girl, she the one for me. And I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine, ever mine.
Yo, alright. Death is in a blink, living is a mile. Life is mankind, how I'm living in a battle. 50 years to live, but my generation travels. Before I started acing, I had to be testing. A lot died of me, yet I keep a good impression. Karma was my neighbor, but now it is my savior. Yeah, it made me stronger, bad luck made me care. To what I didn't have, to what I used to have, to what I do have, especially my mama, so I stay glad. You niggas have a dragon, I hate it when you're bragging. Shit, let me admit, I'm loving your beats. 2P, say what you gotta say, cause you're on the scene and you believe in a God. I find that hard to believe. When the bullet's in your face, you're the ashes in a hot place. And when you're gone, you're done, replaced.
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. Shake shit down in the mall. It's Sunday, girl, she the one for me. And I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine, ever mine.
My lyrics are unlimited until my next zone. Words stay forever, so I talk to stay remembered. Niggas are the birds, shoot them when they fly. Life is to occur.